Hello everyone, welcome to the best product review channel on YouTube. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we analyze hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guide and check out the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, without any delay, let's get started.
In this video we break down the top 5 best universal TV stand you can buy right now. We made this list based on performance, features of the product, value for money, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best universal TV stand on the market this year. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which universal TV stand are you currently using, and which one you recommend? Let me know in the comment. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is PERLESMITH Tabletop TV Stand. The PERLESMITH Universal Tabletop TV Stand is an excellent choice due to its attractive design and many features. It features anti-slip pads, 6 height adjustment choices, and a mounting bracket that fits most 37 to 55-inch flat panel LCD TVs. Its strong structure, appealing style, and significant holding strength make it a good long-term investment. It should only take 15 minutes to set up the PERLESMITH Universal Tabletop TV Stand. It can, however, soon become a 2-person task. The stand takes very little space and allows you to place the bracket on either side. You can also raise the height of each frame leg. The glass-tempered design stands out and brings life to your living room. You can, however, install it in other places of your home, such as your bedroom or kitchen countertop. The tempered glass structure prevents your TV from falling over. This TV stand includes all mounting hardware. You may also take the mounting bracket off the stand and use it to wall mount your TV. It's a fantastic TV stand because of its unusual design. It has a sturdy steel frame. According to the manufacturer's specifications, you can install more than 80 pounds on the stand. If you have gadgets, be sure the total weight does not exceed the limits. The mounting bracket is designed to work with all types of flat panel 4K TVs and LCDs from leading manufacturers. The main disadvantage of this universal TV stand is that it does not accommodate mounting holes greater than 16 inches in diameter. So, before purchasing this universal stand, make sure that your TV mounting criteria meet this requirement. Our second best universal TV stand is FITUEYES Universal Swivel Tabletop TV Stand. The frame of the FITUEYES Universal Tabletop TV Stand is both strong and beautiful. The design incorporates the best of both worlds, allowing you to modify your view angles while not taking up too much room. This TV stand can support large screen televisions. The tempered glass base can support up to 143 pounds, making it appropriate for larger flat screen TVs from popular brands such as Samsung and Sony. These TV stands' universal compatibility allows you to host TV models with display sizes ranging from 50 to 85 inches. This broad range enables you to attach larger TVs such as those found in restaurants or airports. This TV stand is not recommended for commercial usage, but if you have such enormous TVs in your home, this is the TV stand to buy. You are only concerned about small screens that do not satisfy the VISA standard of 200 by 200 mm. If your television falls within that category, you should consider one of the other TV stands on this list. It is simple to get started. The program includes detailed installation instructions, so you won't need expert assistance to get started. Aside from installation, the FITUEYES Universal Tabletop TV Stand has customization choices. You can adjust the height of the frame to acquire the ideal viewing angle for your needs. Because this is a base swivel TV stand, it has features such as a 100-degree swivel and 4-level height adjustable customization possibilities. Finally, cable management allows you to conceal your cables without turning to improvised ways or employing an electrician. Number 3 in our list is PERLESMITH Universal Tabletop TV Stand. The PERLESMITH Universal Tabletop TV Stand is a great replacement for the standard plastic pedestal mounts that come with most televisions. It is compatible with a wide range of televisions ranging in size from 22 to 65 inches. When it comes to design, don't anticipate any bells and whistles. The package includes a universal stand that raises your television slightly higher. The product is made up of 2 legs, each of which has 3 sections. The shipping package also includes all necessary mounting hardware. Installation is simple, that simply bolt the feet to the legs to the extensions, and the complete frame to the VISA mounts on your screen. Bolting the mount to your television is a simple procedure. You must align each leg with your television's VISA mounts and take note of where the holes in the TV stand correspond with the VISA mounts. Place the bolts in the appropriate spots. In most circumstances, that is sufficient. However, there are times when spacers are required to maintain everything neat and the legs straight. Because the TV stand legs are sturdy, you can rely on the frame to support your television. The stand's steel legs also have non-slip strips to keep it from damaging the surface where you place the television. You shouldn't be concerned as long as you keep within the specified size and weight limits. Fourth recommendation in our side is Furniwell Classic 4 Cubby TV Stand. The TV stand has a huge capacity, supporting 65-inch TVs weighing up to 175 pounds. There are 4 open storage compartments beneath the TV position for keeping consoles, media devices, and other TV accessories. It can also be used to keep books or spirits. This farmhouse television stand has a lot of storage space. In addition to storing electrical equipment, some of your toys and antiques can be displayed here for your family and friends to enjoy. The Furniwell fireplace TV stand features a farmhouse theme style with a magnificent mid-century atmosphere. Aside from the TV stand and storage areas, there is also a built-in electric fireplace. The incorporated 1,400 watts power capacity energy heater should make it simple to keep your living space warm. It should be able to keep your room warm between 62 and 82 degrees Fahrenheit, making it an excellent companion on the coldest evenings. The electric heater includes 2 heating levels and a timer control, allowing you to automate the performance to preset time intervals ranging from 30 minutes to 6 hours. And, although being electric, the furnace display includes a flame effect cycle that simulates a genuine fireplace burning somewhere in a cozy farmhouse. The Furniwell fireplace TV stand can accommodate TVs up to 65 inches in size, making it one of the best solutions for large TVs made by well-known companies such as Sony, Samsung, and LG. Furthermore, the TV stand is really versatile. It can be used to increase storage space and warmth in your bedroom. It can also be used to exhibit objects or to improve your home's decor. Last in our top 5 best universal TV stand list is VIVO Black Universal TV Stand. The VIVO Black Universal TV Stand is exactly what you need to put your TV against the wall without having to drill holes. It includes study center compatibility for TVs ranging from 32 to 50 inches in size. The basic frame is made of tempered glass and high-grade steel, and it can hold up to 80 pounds of weight. Under the stand is padding to prevent it from scratching your surfaces. This TV stand is simple to assemble. The shipping package includes all essential mounting hardware and institutions. To begin, you must first assemble the TV stand. When you've finished assembling your TV, bolt it to the stand. In terms of compatibility, the VIVO Black Universal Tabletop TV Stand accommodates a wide range of televisions with dimensions ranging from 22-inch to 65-inch. Other devices can also be placed on the stand's tempered glass base. The VIVO Black Universal Tabletop TV Stand has a solid appearance. It provides significantly better balance and support for your TV than you would expect from a little TV stand. The kit also includes safety straps to keep your TV in place at all times. Another outstanding quality is its adaptability. The VIVO Black Universal TV Stand has 3 height adjustments.